Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to your own channel, English Gate. So, we are here with another interesting lecture of the series Improve Your Vocabulary. Before we get started, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you know when our lessons are uploaded and ready for you. Word of the day: reimburse. Let's see what does it mean in English and Urdu. Meaning in English: to repay or compensate. Meaning in Urdu: वापस देना या तलाफी करना. So we can use this word in two different situations. Let's discuss its use in sentences. Sam reimbursed what I paid for his family. जो कुछ मैंने सैम के खानदान के लिए अदा किया वो उसने वापस कर दिया. He is unable to reimburse the cost of lost items. वो गुम जाने वाली चीज़ों की मालियत की तलाफी करने के काबिल नहीं है. Idiom of the day: on the hook. Let's see its meaning in English and Urdu so that we know what does these three words mean in idiomatic sense. Meaning in English: to be in a bad situation or to owe money. Meaning in Urdu: मुश्किल में होना या मकरूज होना. Now we are going to have a look on different sentences where we have used the same idiom. She is on the hook after losing her important documents. अपने अहम कागजात गुमा देने के बाद वो मुश्किल में है. He is on the hook for nearly $1 million after he faced a big loss in the business. कारोबार में बहुत बड़े नुकसान का सामना करने के बाद वो करीबन $1 मिलियन का मकरूज है. That's all for today's lecture. Make sure to use the newly learned word and idiom in sentences of your own and write down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your time. Happy learning.